this cocktail stands for confidence, sass, and like it has a quite an interesting background. Hi guys, I'm Sanam and welcome back to another Tipsy Duo production. So today we're making an iconic pink drink. You might already have a guess. I've got my martini glass here and my cranberry juice right over there. So, have you got a guess? This was the cocktail. It was made famous overnight thanks to Madonna. Any guesses? Okay, another one. Have you seen this scene from Sex and the City show? Carrie was saying, I need a cheeseburger, large fries, and a Cosmopolitan, please. We're making a Cosmo today. So before cracking on and making the cocktail itself, let me talk you through the story behind how this fabulous cocktail was created. It was back in 1988 at the Odeon in downtown Manhattan, thanks to the bartender Toby Cecchini. What he did is he got an inspiration from another cocktail actually. So imagine this, you're walking into the Odeon in downtown New York and you see Toby behind the bar. He's kind of exhausted of making the same old vodka and rocks, and inspired by a pink drink from San Francisco, the pink drink, which was served over the gay bars, he got an inspiration, and what he did, he swapped the grenadine to cranberry juice, and voila, Cosmopolitan was created. Fast forward to 1996. It's Grammy's after party, and Madonna orders a Cosmopolitan, and paparazzis shoot a photo of her having her Cosmo, and boom, just like that, the next day, she's on the cover of kind of all the magazine all over the world, and everybody's asking, what's that cocktail? They want to try it. Everybody's trying to get their hands on the recipe to try it. The Cosmopolitan becomes a sensation. Even slightly later than that, the show Sex and the City airs, and what happens is that to show that New Yorkie vibe, the star of the show, Carrie, starts ordering Cosmopolitan almost every time she goes to a bar. And just like that, it becomes It Girl's drink. So everyone starts ordering this drink. So yeah, that's the story behind the Cosmo. But let's go and actually make one right now together. What you need to first, I should have done this from the beginning of the video, you need to chill your martini glass. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some ice and let it sit on the side. And then you need to grab your shaker. For this drink, what you need to do is that the proportion of the ingredients is like the vodka is like 2 parts and the other ingredients is you need to put 1 part in. Obviously, if you have citron vodka, that's the original drink and the original thing that, original vodka that was used for this recipe. Let's go and do it now together. I'm gonna add 60 ml of vodka to my shaker. Then you need to add your Cointreau. Moving on, you need your lime juice. Obviously, if you can squeeze in some fresh lime, it's much better. But for now, I'm gonna stick to this store-bought lime. And then the star of the show is the cranberry juice. I'm gonna add 30 ml of this as well to the drink. 1 and 2. So let's recap You need 60 ml vodka, citron vodka preferably, 30 ml Cointreau, 30 ml cranberry juice, and 30 ml lime juice. And then what you need to do, add ice to your shaker and start shaking. Splashed everywhere. And start shaking. Look at that color, it looks marvelous. What you need to do now, you need to get your martini glass, the chilled martini glass, get rid of the ice, and strain your what happened to my voice? And strain your cocktail in. Ooh, I love this pinkish color. Here's your Cosmopolitan. You need to garnish it with orange peel or lemon peel. I prefer orange myself a bit more, so I'm gonna use an orange. Peel a bit. You can use a peeler. And what you need to do is twist it. And then let it float on your drink. Voila! Now, the moment of truth. Let's taste it. Wow! And now I can understand why it became a global sensation overnight. It's quite refreshing, citrusy, and yeah, I loved it. You should definitely try it at home. And yeah, every time you order it, just remember its journey, or every time you make it. It was Toby, Madonna, Carrie, and now it's all over the world. This cocktail stands for confidence, sass, and it has quite an interesting background. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tale, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna come back with more tales. Drop a comment and let me know what you think about Cosmo. Cheers, guys.